at those beautiful cranes flying over there. One's flying away, the other one's staying on the beach. Oh my god, there's another dead fish, and then there's another one right there that I did not show on camera. So, yes, it's a bad storm. We're hoping it doesn't mean red tide. That is our hotel. Now we're going to walk across 20 miles of sand to get to our hotel. Because that's what we do. And I'm going to record it because look at this, look at the dark clouds. Look, over there, it's nice and bright. And look over here, it's nice and dark. We're going towards the darkness. The darkness. Isn't that the name of a haunted house in St. Louis? The darkness. I think it is. I don't remember all these boats and ski-doos there yesterday. Here, put the last 2 shells in the bag. So this is our bag. Not a lot. Not a lot. That's okay. I like this beach. It's very pretty. The sand is very pretty. Is this a beach that we'll repeat and come back to? No, it's a one-time beach. So far, Sanibel and St. Augustine are the only 2 places that in Florida that we will do repeat. Because there's a beach in Oregon that we're going to go back to next year, and that will be a repeat. We try not to repeat vacations because we want to see everything we can, but Sanibel is awesome. I can repeat that 20 million times. And if you missed it earlier, the reason we didn't go to Sanibel is Sanibel is experiencing a red tide, and we didn't go to St. Augustine was because Robert wanted to try something different, and he surprised me. And I'm very happy with the surprise. It's a very nice trip. It's a pretty beach. I would like more shells. Because I'm a greedy girl. Give me all the shells. I want them all. But I do like our resort. You notice how, look at all these tall buildings. And then there's ours. It's a little smaller. The room's nice. And I don't know if you didn't watch my vlog post, you didn't hear me. This room is free. We have points. We have a Marriott rewards card, so we got to stay here for free. And the room is very nice for a free room. No complaints at all. Very happy with this resort. Hotel, resort, I don't know. I'm calling it a resort because there's 3 really nice restaurants inside. There's a really nice pool. Tennis courts. All kinds of stuff to do. Oh my god, look at that little plane. Where did he come from? He just was there.
I know.
That's really weird. Did he take... Is it possible that he took off from that hotel? No, that's not possible, right? Literally, where did he come from? He just appeared out of thin air. That is weird. That's like an HBO movie. Where did he come from? I don't know. See? See how long this walk is? It's like, yes, it's a little setback from the beach, but I don't mind walking. It's pretty. Look at all the palm trees. I'm just amazed at the dark clouds. Yes, and listen, all you Floridians, I realize it rains every day, but if someone asked you if it's gonna rain and you're like, it's Florida, it rains every day. Thank you, it really doesn't, because I've been here plenty of times when it didn't rain. So us tourists don't necessarily appreciate that humor. So there he is, he's swirling around. I don't know, I'm hot, I'm tired. And did you see that lightning? I'm just gonna leave this recording and you can hear me ramble because that lightning was awesome. And I'll show you closer up of the resort. He is swirling around. I don't, if I was him, I'd be landing. There's a storm coming. And be safe, dude. So anyway, the reason we were at Busch Gardens. It's perfectly sunny. It looks beautiful. We're getting a frozen Coke. And there's like a whole bunch of ponchos on the counter. And I'm just like, oh, is usually like it's our Six Flags, they bring the ponchos out when it's gonna rain. If you go to Disney, they hide the ponchos and they bring them out right when it's about to rain. So I'm like, oh, is it supposed to rain like soon? And then they're like, there's 3 girls standing around like not working because, you know, why it takes 3 women to check 1 person out, I don't know. Anyway, they're like, oh, it's Florida, it rains every day. Thank you. Thanks for that. That was very helpful. So yeah, it is gonna rain like 5 hours after I asked you that.
I don't think they were open when, you know, I mean, I think by the time, like yesterday, they would have been closed. And then today, it didn't rain, so.
Yeah, yeah. So I was just actually being serious because most parks don't bring out the ponchos until right before rain. And they were being smart butts. So, oh well. It's pretty though, isn't it? It's very pretty. And dark. So, I don't know. We'll have to see how late the pool's open. Don't know if we're gonna check it out tonight or wait till tomorrow. Oh my god, we went on the walk 7 a.m. this morning. 7 a.m. We walked by the pool and there was people already in the pool at 7 a.m. That's serious swimming. And no, they weren't like lap people. They were just hanging out, floating at like 7 a.m. I wanted to be still in bed. There, I hear that plane again. All right, honey bunny, will you? Gotta rinse my feet off. I'm too windy. Thank you. Rinse my feet off. $9, thank you. It's a small pool, but it's a cute pool. Very small, but I like it. And they always look bigger in the pictures. 8 foot, that's a good depth. And then they have a poolside cafe. 4 foot and 8 foot. Okay. Poolside cafe. Pool rules. Does it say how late? Pool hours 7 to 11. Ooh. 11, that's late.
No horseplay.
No, that's a bummer. No, I guess we're not swimming. No horseplay involved. 11 is really good because we've been to a lot of hotels where it closes like at 8 or 9. I can do 11. I think we are swimming today. For sure. It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Robert's like, it's your birthday over with. I'm so tired of you saying that. It's my birthday. Anything goes. See, I try to do a birthday month, and he's like, no. Because everyone on Instagram is always like, it's my birthday month. Robert's like, no, you get 1 day, not a month. There we would be.